Okay, so today we are finishing up absolute value equations and inequalities. So today we're putting absolute values in our inequalities and solving. This is the last thing I'm going to teach you before our test. Our test is on Thursday. Okay? Also, all of your missing work needs to be in by Thursday. Okay? So, an absolute value inequality. Yeah?
What about the study guide? Did you ever give us the study guide?
What's tomorrow?
You said,
Can I have it today?
I don't know, my dad's been asking about it.
I said I'd have the video up tomorrow.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah, well, like the video and the study guide. Okay, so, the inequality, an absolute value inequality is an inequality that has an absolute value sign with a variable inside. So kind of like right down below. So the absolute value of x means the distance is between x and 0 is less than 4. So I'm going to draw this out on a number line. Okay, so this is telling me that the distance is somewhere, 4 on either side. So it can either be 4 to the left or 4 to the right, or it can be anywhere in between. Yeah? Well, it's anything in here that's less than 4. So it's not 4, but it could be -3, it could be -2, it could be anything in the middle. No, I'll show you how to graph it in a second. I'm just showing you the distance right now. Okay, so I want to solve A, which is the absolute value is less than 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this into two inequalities. I'm going to have x is less than 3. And x is less than, greater than. Sorry, my bad. You want to flip the symbol. What? And? Because I'm saying that both of those are my answers? Okay, so when I write my second inequality, I flip the sign, the inequality sign, and change the sign on my number. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put this on a number line. I did -3 to 3, so that's 7 numbers. Okay, what kind of circles am I putting on -3 and 3? Open. Okay. So less than 3 is going left or right of 3. And greater than -3, is that going left or right? Right. So I only have the line in between. Because I have a line in between, I want to write my answer as one inequality. So I start off by writing the smaller number, which is -3, less than x, less than 3. So this is my answer for the inequality, and I need to make sure that I graph it, which I've done. So questions on A. So B, same idea. I want to remove my inequality symbol. First I have x is greater than 3. Then I'm going to have the inequality sign switch, so it's going to turn into a less than, and the sign on that 3 is going to change to a -3. Okay. So then I want to go ahead, same deal, I want to go ahead and write these on my number line. Okay, what kind of circles are these two getting? Open. So x is greater than 3. Is that going left or right? Right. And x is less than negative 3? So are these one giant inequality? No. So I want to write my answer because they're two separate ones and it can't both be true at the same time. I'm going to write it with or in the middle for my final answer.